The question is, Sangeeta invests rupees 16,500 partly in 10% rupees 100 shares at rupees 130 and partly in 8% rupees 100 shares at rupees 120. If her total annual income from these shares is rupees 1,180, find her investment in each kind of shares. So let she invest rupees X in first company and rupees Y in second company. So let her investment in company A be rupees X and in company B be rupees Y such that X plus Y will be 16,500 rupees. Now the market value of the shares in both the companies. Market value for company A is rupees 130 and in company B it is rupees 120. So based on investment and market value, we can calculate number of shares. So number of shares purchased in company A is investment X divided by market value 130. And in company B, it will be Y divided by 120. Now, the face value of shares of both the companies are given rupees 100. That is same in both the companies. So face value in company A and in company B is 100 rupees. And the rate of dividend given in company A is 10% and in company B is 8%. So from number of shares, face value and rate of dividend, we can calculate the annual income in each company. So annual income in company A will be rate of dividend on face value 10 upon 100 into 100 into number of shares, that is X upon 130. Whereas annual income in company B is rate of dividend 8% of face value 100 into number of shares Y upon 120. On simplifying this, we get annual income of rupees X upon 13 in company A and rupees Y upon 15 in company B. Now as per the question, the total annual income from both these companies is rupees 1,180. So we add these annual incomes and we get X upon 13 plus Y upon 15 equals to 1,180. So this is an equation with two variables and we got one more equation with the same two variables in the beginning. So let's say X plus Y equals to 16,500 as equation 1 and X upon 13 plus Y upon 15 equals to 1180 as equation 2. We solve these two equations simultaneously either by substitution or by elimination method. So solving equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously, we get the value of X as we get the value of x as rupees 7,800 and value of y as rupees 8,700. So the investment in company A is rupees 7,800 and investment in company B is rupees 8,700.